my channel. This is Chastity. If it's your first time watching, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video because you don't want to miss me. Today's video is just a get ready with me, showing you how I do a natural beat face. Extra contour and heavy highlight, none of that, just a natural face in natural light. I decided to try something different and do my makeup in a natural light just to see, you know, how it looks. And the only bad thing about doing your makeup with natural light is sometimes the sun is where it needs to be and then the sun isn't where it needs to be, so you'll see the lighting change throughout the video. Also, you'll get the deets on this wig that I have on my head right now. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. So I'm doing my makeup in natural light, just the sun, no pics, no nothing, just the sun. Of course, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Super Stay foundation for my face. I apply it with this brush, but then I go in with a different brush, so I'm not color correcting because I feel like this foundation is really full coverage, so I don't really have to color correct, if that makes sense. It looks weird now, but once it oxidizes into my skin, then it looks better. It's like, you know, it's like summertime coming because the birds are chirping. You hear little birdies out there chirping and doing their thing. Foundation is done. I don't like that with this ColourPop concealer. It takes a long time to blend it, but I really like the way it looks after, so I guess that kind of makes up for it. So I guess maybe I shouldn't put a lot on, even though I just put a lot on. But everything looks, this concealer looks like really white, but it's not. It's that natural light that's making it look lighter than what it is. Because it don't be like this white on me, I promise. Okay, beauty blender right here, blend that shit out. Why do we open our mouths when we do stuff like that? Like, it takes a lot to blend this shit out, but I love the way it looks after, so it's like, ooh. So I'll be back in about 3 hours once I blend this out. My hair even changed within the past 3 hours of me blending this shit out. Okay, all right. I take my Maybelline Shine Free powder and set my highlights. True Contour palette. We're gonna do it really soft because we just want like a natural light look, okay? So just really soft. Never too much. It's too much. Oh well. My brush, after like months of looking for this brush, I finally found it. It was in my car. I don't know why it was in my car. I was in my car with a couple other brushes, but contouring our big ass nose. No man wants a female with a big ass nose. We gotta deceive these niggas. Okay? Okay? Nose sculpt, eyebrows arched, flick to the gods, sculpted to the gods. To even trick these niggas how they trick us. Same thing. And wipe that powder. For natural. Until I do my eyelashes. Liner at. Let me go find my eyeliner. Because I can't find it. I'll be back. Go get this shit. I ain't back yet. The light looks really weird. Because when you deal with natural light, it's like a hit or miss. So get into this wig real quick. Okay. Natural look. I did put a lip on. You can't have a beat face without the glow. This is a wig from A to Z Wigs. Again, they want me to do another wig, and I'm not going to turn down doing reviews for wigs or nothing like that. So this is a 10-inch bob. It's a closure wig. Right, as you can see, I have powder in the part already. It came with this really weird lace right here, so I cut majority of it out. out, which I'm going to go in and cut the rest of it out. I was just in a rush when I wore it. So you have the 2 combs on the side, you have one right underneath where the closure is, and you have one in the back along with the adjustable straps. From the looks, this is probably a 4x4. Oh wait, let me see, 1, 2, either 4x4 or 6x6, I'm not sure, but let's just put this baby on and see what we do. It fits really nice and snug. Use a comb just to comb through it real quick. Me personally, not a fan of like the baby hairs and stuff like that. It's just really not my cup of tea at all. So yeah, I wore the wig, as you can see, but you have, because I want to get like a feel of it, there's minimal, literally like no shedding. I straightened this on, I went through it with my flat iron on 450, no problem. I'm a heat junkie, but I do spray protectant spray, well, heat protectant spray on my wigs when I straighten them just to protect it. You never know, you know? So yeah, it's 10 inches. I told you all the details already. It's really light density. It's like not too thick, not too thin. It's really just perfect. And I did not experience a lot of shedding. Really no shedding. The only shedding I got was when I cut the lace from the closure. That was pretty much all the shedding that I got. I really do like this wig. I really feel like that little black lace that was covering the lace was kind of pointless, because when I did cut it out, you could see the difference, and I really did not have to add that much into the part. However, I feel like I might go and bleach the knots and pluck this a little bit, just so like I'd be able to like comb it back, and ignore me, I'm ashy, but whatever. I could be able to comb it back, and you know, it won't look like too crazy. So it doesn't have a lot of maintenance to it. You can literally just throw it on and go. That's the one thing I like about closure wigs, is that you can just throw it on and go. You don't have to do all the maintenance of plucking the part and doing all this extra stuff. Just add a little bit of powder in the part, and that's it. I apologize if you hear noises in the background. I can't do nothing about that. Anyways, but yeah, so this is just like a cute way that I do wear it. I wear it like this, or I'll even go in and just wear it like this. Like, and I did straighten them a little bit, but then I did go on and bump them. Like, you can wear them straight or you can bump it, whatever fits close to your boat. I really just don't have anything bad. I don't have anything bad to say about this wig. I really love this wig a lot. I enjoy it, and it's definitely a good wig. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.